What's up guys? Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Today we are unboxing OnePlus Pad 2. This OnePlus Pad 2 will be one of the latest one with an incredible price and quality specifications. The Chinese company OnePlus is known as the one that launches new smartphones and tablets on the market every day. Now we are showing features. The OnePlus Pad 2 having an impressive design with aluminum frames at the front and back. The Pad 2 will be a rival of the iPad Pro. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, which is installed in pads. To give more power to this pad, it has a 3.3 GHz octa-core processor installed in this machine and GPU of Adreno 750. There will be stylish support. The OnePlus Pad 2 has got a 12.1 inches screen size, which is a big screen display with the IPS LCD touchscreen display and 900 nits peak brightness. And this pad got a full HD display with a resolution of 2120 by 3100 pixels with 144 Hz refresh rate. The phone will run on latest operating system Android 14. The Pad 2 has got a 9510 mAh battery with a 67 watt fast charging. In this Pad OnePlus Pad 2 there is a single camera in the back which is a 13 megapixel with a LED flash, and there is 8 megapixel front camera for video calls. OnePlus Pad 2 is having powerful RAM that offers 8, 12 and 16 GB of capacity. These two gigantic specifications of the phone will make the tablet a go-to choice for the customers who want a fantastic pad. And there is 256 and 512 GB of storage. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.